Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log in to Barclays Mortgage account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in barclays.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the main homepage for Barclays, go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. You will need to type in your credentials for your online banking account on the next page. Select either membership number, card number, short code and account number option and enter the information according to your selection. Always make sure to enter the correct information and then click on the continue button to log into your account. Once you're signed into your online banking account, navigate to the mortgages section and then view your balance, recent transactions, download statements, make regular or one-off overpayments, and much more. So that was how you can easily log into your Barclays Mortgage account online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.